Hi, I wanted to quickly go over what everybody's talking about when they say don't buy fuzzy-backed vinyl. So this vinyl, focus camera, it feels fuzzy, but it's actually a woven-backed vinyl. You really do have to touch the back of the vinyl. Sorry. To see, there it is. See, there, you can very clearly see the rows of weaving on the back of the vinyl, but it feels fuzzy to the touch. And please excuse my nails. I've been working in the garden and I took off my my gel polish, so they're a little bad. Yeah, so this is the Shimmers from Bob and Jen's. Absolutely is a woven back, but feels fuzzy. Let's set that away. Now this is an upholstery remnant that I got from an upholstery shop. You can clearly see again on the back of this that it is woven, but it does feel fuzzy. So you can't just rely on touch. You have to really get in there and look. So there you go. There's the weaving clearly seen on the back of this one. So here's the one coming up that we all warn you about. This is the dreaded fuzzy back. You can see on the edge it looks like fleece. It looks like your fleece interfacing. The covering on it, the vinyl part, you can hear my air quotes there, is super thin. It's like they took heat transfer vinyl and ironed it onto fleece interfacing. It will fall apart in the heat in your car. If you sit it in the sun too long, it just is really a bad product. So for bag making at least. So I hope that helps those of you who had questions about the fuzzy backed vinyls.